Hi, this is Jody Campbell, Chairman of the CSR Children's Foundation, host of Kids Day. We're here on a beautiful December day in the planning stages of the return of the famous Kids Day Poke Run. Long Beach Yacht Club will be the host on June 29th. Sign up early. The last two times we did this was a blast and raised some money for some great families and kids for Kids Day. So come along, June 29th, 2024. Thanks.